Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Friday, March the 7th, 2025. Just got done with my daily walk. My daily walk is going to be one video. I don't want to say a funny thing happened, but I wanted to tell you about it. So I'm walking in a new neighborhood, and about 2 blocks in front of me, I could see maybe like a repair guy pulled up in front of this house, got some tools out, and he's walking to the front door to ring the doorbell. By the time the repair guy gets to the door, I'm in front of the house, and I'm looking straight ahead, and evidently the lady, the homeowner, who's older than me, how do I know that? Hang on. She opens the door for the repair guy. 2 of her dogs see me bust out of the house past the repair guy. I'm walking on the sidewalk, and this lady just shrieks, "Get my dogs, get my dogs." I'm like, well, her dogs were friendly, but they had no collar on them. So I kneel down. I get one of the dogs. I'm trying to feel around the dog's neck. She's like, "Hold on to the dog." I'm like, "Ma'am, you don't have a collar on your dog." And this dog was kind of chubby, like a small dog, but kind of chubby. So the lady and the repair guy come out of the house, and they meet me on the sidewalk. And I guess for medical reasons, this lady, who was quite large, bent over and couldn't pick her dog up. There was a big one and a little one. So I kind of give her, like I'm kneeling down in the ground, I give her the big dog. She bends over, she's like, "Oh, I can't lift it up, I can't lift it up." Her phone drops. I pick up her phone, I give it to the repair guy. I'm like, "Hey, here's her phone." I start walking away. The small dog starts following me. She shrieks again, "Get my dog, get my dog, get my dog." So I stop again, just scooped up the dog, the little dog, in my hand, gave it to the repair guy, and I was on my way. So one of the things I love about Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99, all the pets that we've had have been super obedient, super duper obedient. And these dogs were just curious about me. They weren't barking. I didn't feel threatened. As soon as the dogs came out, I knelt down on the sidewalk and I put my hand out. Anyhow, if you've got dogs, make sure that they're trained. That's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family. I got to knock this cold out, man. I got it when I got back from my trip. Anyhow, love y'all. Bye-bye.